Yeah, hello everyone, what's going on? This is One by One Game Dev, and today we are going to see how to create a scroll view in Unity. The scroll view is really helpful. You can show your leaderboard, scoreboard, or any labels or results that you want to show in your game. So, to create this, let's get this video started. This is my basic scene view setup. I have two borders, top border and the bottom border, and we are going to confine our scroll view between these two borders. The scroll view is the part of an UI element in Unity. So to create this, we will right click on canvas, then select UI and then the scroll view. Okay, so we got a basic scroll view here. The first thing we will do is to stretch the scroll view up to the borders. As you can see, while stretching the scroll view, if we go towards the extreme boundary of our canvas, then it indicates us with the saffron color. As you can see, there is a horizontal scroll bar too. As we are not going to scroll our game horizontally, we will delete scroll bar horizontal. If you go to a scroll view, if you go to inspector and then search for scroll rect, okay, here it is. And as you can see, there is a content feed. So this content rect transform is the game object, which is really important and most crucial thing in this scroll view. Things which you see scrollable, whether it is your leaderboard or your completed levels, all these scrollable things are under one object, which is the content game object. You can customize your scroll view like this. If you want to customize your scroll bar or handle, you can also do that. You can do this by going in scroll bar vertical, in sliding area and selecting handle. I'm going to create a list of cards which I can scroll vertically. So I will select content. After selecting content, you can see the area of the content is really small and we want to feed a list of cards in this content. So what we will do, we will stretch this area of content towards the end of this border. Now I'm going to create a card which is an empty game object inside a content game object and adding an image to it to make it presentable. Let's create multiple copies of this card. To position multiple cards automatically in a vertical fashion, we will use Unity component on content, which is vertical layout group. In this first, we will uncheck the child force expand width and height. Then we will check the width and height of a use child scale. And we will now give a spacing of 50 to give it a more clear look. To make it look even better, we will use a padding for top which will be 50. Now, if we create multiple objects, these will get added at the bottom in the vertical fashion with proper spacing. As this done, let's check if it's working or not. Okay, we are able to scroll vertically, but we are also getting a horizontal scroll here. We have to fix this. To fix this, we will go to scroll view, to scroll rect. There we will find a horizontal field. We will just uncheck that box. Now let's check. Okay. We are not getting any horizontal scroll, but there is one problem here. As you can see, we don't really get a proper vertical scroll. Even we don't have a scroll bar. If I try to go to the bottom, I'm redirected to the top of the scroll view list. This issue arises due to the area of the content is confined between the two borders. But if you look closely, the cards are beyond this content area. So to solve this issue, we have to stretch the area of the content towards the last card. If we try to do this manually, here, as you can see, the scroll bar is now visible, but we can do it automatically too. To do this automatically, we will select content and we will use Unity is a really cool tool which is content size fitter. In the content size fitter, we have option called vertical fit. In this, we will set it to preferred size. Now, the area of the content is stretched to the last card as you can see. So let's check it again. Okay, see, now it's working perfectly. Now we're able to scroll it. Even using the scroll bar, it's working. So that is it for this video guys. If you think this video helps you in your game development journey, then please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more interesting tips and tricks about game development. We will meet again. Bye bye.